Question of the day, question of the day, question of the day. DT, what you got to say? Question of the day, man. What's the worst thing that could happen on a first date? Let us know in the comments below. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Look alive. One more time. We gotta bring that back.
What's up, YouTube?
It's time to get lit with another NFL reaction.
It's your boy, Young and Reckless G-Rob.
And it's your boy, NFL champion DT.
We back with another reaction video. Today, Lil Engine.
Bye.
I got a big engine in my car though. Big boy shit. You got the little engine, your car a little, you know what I'm saying? So this probably for you, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up.
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell so y'all can get all our notifications, man.
Yeah.
I heard a lot of people ain't been getting our stuff, you know what I'm saying? That's the only way we gonna be able to move up. Y'all gotta watch the videos, you know what I'm saying? Watch everything. At least just click it and hit the like button if you fuck with your boys. You even gotta like the video, just hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. But we ain't gonna talk y'all ears off, man. We ready to get to this though, cause I know some bars in here, man. So if you wanna watch the original video, it'll be in the description down below. Anything else again?
Man, you already know my slogan. Without further ado, let's get to the audio.
As the title of the album suggests, this was meant for your listening pleasure while you are being done in.
Call this evil intent, like me in a limo, like the shade of these windows.
He already started.
I ain't even kidding. What do you
Call
say?
it evil intent, like me in a limo. Tent. He evil in the tent.
Oh shit!
Come on, man.
Oh shit! Okay.
We starting out early.
We started early.
We starting out early.
We started out too
Come on,
early.
DT.
Right.
They said we don't catch these motherfuckers. Let's go. So maybe ask Siri for another partner.
That bitch stupid. I don't care what you got.
Siri, hey, she right there on deck.
Pleasure while you are being done in.
Call this evil intent, like me in a limo, like the shade of these windows. Smoke gray, ladies go mental, but no way they can see in them. OJ blade is a pencil, propane taking my cranium, coke name, titanium temple. I almost swallowed my car. I call my Mercedes a Benzo. Bitch, I ball like a baby, ball like Jay, but not Jay's in Jay-Z, Jay.
Wait. We missed some shit.
Yeah, I feel like we missed. He
We
said,
missed
swallow
some
my car.
Call my Mercedes Benzo. Mercedes Benz.
Swallow my car. Call Mercedes Benzo. I don't get that.
I don't need it. Hopefully ain't another Cincinnati. They ain't another
No,
Cincinnati.
that definitely ain't no Cincinnati, bro.
Hold on.
Titanium temple. I almost swallowed my car. I call my Mercedes a Benzo. Bitch, I ball like a baby, ball.
I feel like it's something. I almost swallowed my car. I call my Mercedes a Benzo.
I think it's going. That just
that ain't got shit to do with nothing.
Nah.
Bitch, I ball like a baby, ball like Jay, but not Jay's in Jay-Z, Jay is in Leno. Cause I got a huge mansion, no, huge mansion, new mansion.
I got a huge mansion.
You got a huge mansion.
Oh shit!
Mansion. Yeah. Yeah, you off the chain.
Hey, I definitely, I ain't catch that
It's
either.
like Quagmire type shit. You know Quagmire from...
President Chin and shit.
Yeah, that too.
Huge mansion, no, huge mansion, new Manson, loose cannon, too scantless, Sue Atkins, the kind of crazy you can't fix. I'm still the one that your parents hate. I'm in your house eating carrot cake, while I sit there and wait and I marinate, I'm irritated. You about to meet a scary fate to come home to find yourself staring straight into a fucking barrel like Sharon Tate. Race like a church while I narrate. Yeah, you be on the straight and narrow like a fucking arrow shape. I be on a higher plane, in aerospace, with so much leg room and airspace on this airplane. Unlike you, cause you're on a flight too, but it's a staircase. Nah, little man.
You're on
Talk your
a
shit.
You're on a flight too, but a staircase.
They only going up a flight of steps. I'm flying in the air.
Like, you know what I'm saying? That's why you say got a lot of leg space. Yeah, I'm up
Keep
now.
flying first class.
I'm up now.
That's first class.
You know what? And we just earned.
Off the chain.
You feel me? Hey,
Out, boy.
what you gonna like, Siri?
I ain't even gonna get to it yet, man. It might be something crazy I might have to ask you, you know what I'm saying? Talk, yeah.
Like you, cause you're on a flight too, but it's a staircase. Now, little engine go, bin go, I'm losing control. Heroin and blow, Marilyn Monroe, overdid the dose. Trying to rip pro, up the innuendo, like a wind window. Little engine go, little engine. I am the top selling, who cares? Stop dwelling, then stop yelling. I'm not yelling.
Wait, hold on.
He said,
Selling, who cares? Stop dwelling, then stop yelling. I'm not yelling, you're yelling. Smart yelling, god damn it, fuck is that? Stop hammering, God. That's what it sounds like in my brain. Much as I fight to restrain, I have the right to remain violent. Any rhyme that I
That's crazy though. I was gonna say it sounds like a lot of shit in the background.
Yeah.
He said that goes on in his head. All that going on, like a lot of motherfuckers talking at once.
yeah, like stop yelling.
Shut
stop
up.
Yelling. Yeah, hey, that do happen though.
Shut up.
There ain't nobody around you.
Yeah, just all these voices,
Yeah.
especially like when you finna do something stupid. Just nothing but voices in your head. I was so like, damn, there's 2 songs playing at once. He got a lot of motherfuckers going on in his mind. That shit gotta tweak me out.
That's what it sounds like in my brain. Much as I fight to restrain, I have the right to remain violent. Any rhyme that I say can and will.
I have the right to remain violent.
Restrain.
Yeah. Oh, and I have the right to remain violent in his head.
Dude.
Okay.
He tried to throw him in there. He rapping a little too fast. A little
Yeah.
flow was kind of.
That's what it sounds like in my brain. Much as I fight to restrain, I have the right to remain violent. Any rhyme that I say can and will be used against you. Icicle dames, mics will get slain like they were strangled with bicycle chains. You're gonna have
Said
to.
anything I say can and will be used
Yeah,
against you.
he like, oh, you know why he
Oh
tired all
my
that
God,
shit.
that was fire.
You know why he tired
was
all that in
fire.
there. He tying all that shit in there. That shit crazy.
Rhyme that I say can and will be used against you. Icicle dames, mics will get slain like they were strangled with bicycle chains. You're gonna have to come identify the remains. Wait, what? I said my head is twisted like a red tie. Yep, can't get a fucking word in edgewise. Shut up. Success overnight like a red eye. Bitch, dressed like a jet eye at a Best Buy.
Oh,
on the
what
west
was
side.
the red eye bar?
Red Eye Jet.
I thought you said something before the red eye.
Hold on.
I got the jet part.
Hold on. Since we missed that, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause it sounded crazy.
We gotta bring that back.
You're gonna have to come identify the remains. Wait, what? I said my head is twisted like a red tie. Yep, can't get a fucking word in edgewise. Shut up. Success overnight like a red eye. Bitch, dressed like a jet eye at a Best Buy. On the west side, I'm hot dog. No, you're not. I'm the guy with the Oscar admirers and a.
I'm hot dog. No, you're not. I'm a guy with
Oscar Mayer wieners?
Oh, but you
Pause.
Oscar, like a reward Oscar. Okay.
Hey Siri. What's Oscar Mayer?
Sorry, I'm having trouble with the connection.
Told you
Please
bitch
try
stupid.
again in a moment.
Told you she's stupid.
Bro, like what? Siri act okay all the time until it's time to do a reaction.
She's stupid.
Hey Siri. What's an Oscar Mayer?
Oscar Mayer is an American media and cold cut production company.
She said
owned by the
Mayer.
American-
I'm done with Siri, for real. I'm done with Siri. She's stupid. Siri really dumb. That
I
was
told you we need to
crazy
get us
dope.
a Alexia in here.
Bro, it's Alexa. How you gonna keep
Alexa,
saying?
Alexis.
You call the bitch Alexis.
Alexia, Alex, whatever. We need her in here.
No, we gonna keep Siri. Siri been around. Siri know my name.
Bitch, dumb.
Get a fucking word in edgewise. Shut up. Success overnight like a red eye. Bitch, dressed like a jet eye at a Best Buy. On the west side, I'm hot dog. No, you're not. I'm the guy with the Oscar admirers and appliances by the washer and dryers. Chick ran up like Marshall on fire. I looked down and said, no, I'm not. You're a liar. She said, no, your music. Heard you back with the doctor, then I heard. Now,
Yeah.
I think I
Yeah.
stopped it a little too early, but he got it out.
Yeah.
He said, a girl ran up to him and said, Marsh, you on fire. I looked down and said, no, you a liar.
She said your music. Heard you
And back with the doctor. You know you go to the
Yeah.
doctor when that thing?
Yeah, but talking about Dr. Dre.
Yeah, but you know you go to the doctor when that thing hot.
I never had that problem.
Silk.
Never had that problem.
Silk?
So,
Oh, you don't want to say that now? Okay, yeah. I ain't never had that problem either, though. Ain't nobody ever burnt this sausage. Ain't nobody ever burnt this sausage.
at all.
I'll stay off the grill.
Fuck is you saying?
You know what I'm saying?
I'm still in the freezer.
That was crazy, though. That was crazy.
this chick ran up like Marshall on fire. I looked down and said, no, I'm not. You're a liar. She said, no, your music. Heard you back with the doctor, then I heard. Now, little engine go. Bin go. I'm losing control. Heroin and blow. Marilyn Monroe. Overdid the dose. Trying to rip pro. Up the innuendo. Like a wind window. Little engine go. Little engine. Go. Psycho. Killer. Michael. Thriller. My flow. Ain't shit.
Really?
I go. Thriller. My flow. Stiller. Psycho. Killer. My hoe. Silver. psycho I am. Michael, my knife, go right hand in my left hand. I hold my stand. Little engine go. Chill, I got zip zip zero. Zero zip zip zero. Just like Kaepernick, I got nip nip nil. Where the good whip will.
Like Kaepernick, I got what?
Kneel.
What
does kneel mean?
Yeah, what do that mean? I got Neil.
I mean, I would ask Siri, but the bitch don't know nothing.
Neil Sporn?
He cut from a different
closet!
Off the chain!
Neil
He
Sporn.
made that up though.
But it was fire.
He said Neo Spawn as a reach. It sounds good though.
Neil, you know what I'm
sounds
saying?
good.
I got Neil.
Neo.
What else can you say?
We gotta play with words too.
Yeah.
Stop playing with me, man.
You say I got Neil. Okay.
What you saying, Silk? Shut up.
I'll roll it. I'm not gonna say it.
Zero zip zip zero, just like Kaepernick. I got nip nip nil. Where the good whip will. This must be how being hood rich feels. Was a ghetto boy, now I ball out like Bushwick Bill. Gonna take you out.
I balled out like Bushwick Bill? You know, he shot his eye out.
Talk your shit!
This is how I ball out like Bushwick Bill.
Who about all that out in the shoe one?
He off the chain.
Off the chain.
Bruce Wayne and Alpha the Gallo. Blueface meets Alpha the Salvo. Balbo with a scalpel. Scoundrel hound with a mouth full of outpo. Now go! Little engine go! Bin 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 go! I'm losing control. Heroin and blow. Marilyn Monroe. Overdid the dose. Time to Rick Pro. Up the window. Like a wind window. Little engine go. Little engine go.
Them just went crazy, bro.
For real.
That was a lot of shit in there. I know we missed some too, though.
Yeah.
Drop the bars that we missed, for real, for real. Drop them that we missed. I know we missed a couple of them, though. We got the... We couldn't keep it with all that, but we caught a lot of them.
Answer the question, though. What's the most embarrassing thing that could happen on the first date?
The most embarrassing thing?
What's the worst thing that could happen on the first date? I say if I'm talking and I got a booger in my nose and they just staring at me. No, that ain't.
That's really embarrassing, though. Really for us, because we don't give a fuck about nothing.
No, I know what it is.
What?
Car getting declined. That's embarrassing. That's probably the
Why
worst
don't
thing
you
that
pay, like, and then the motherfucker gonna come up, the waitress gonna come, yeah, it didn't go through.
They be loud, too, loud as fuck. Like,
Indoor voices.
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep it low. You know what I'm saying? Hey. You know what I'm saying?
But
You got
this-
a couple dishes back there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know,
Or
you know
you
what I'm saying?
go
You
get
gotta
the card?
You gotta ask the lady, though. You gotta ask the lady, hey, you gonna take care of it. I got a couple dollars in the card. got a couple dollars in the card. Don't even worry.
Or you give your card to the waitress,
Right.
and then you follow them like, man, I gotta go to the bathroom. If the motherfucker don't go through, let me
Run.
know.
See, look, this what we're gonna do. We have fun on our first date. We gonna dine in this thing.
You know what I'm saying?
We fucking check bounce
Uh-huh.
and went out of bounds. You know what I'm saying?
But what if you out with a girl who don't, no, we not, and she drove?
Okay, bitch, I know how to run. I got feet for a reason. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let us know, man, what y'all think in the comments below, man. But that's gonna do it for this video, man. Make sure you like,
Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good shit.
It's your boy G-Rob.
NFL DT.